Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's here on YouTube. Got a very nice truck for you here today. It's not one of my typical trucks, but man, it sure turned out nice for a local company here. Seminole painted 2022 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, ultra cab with 78-inch stand-up sleeper, midriff sleeper as some people call them. This one's actually the PACCAR MX-13 engine, very quiet engine, very fuel efficient, and a 13-speed Eaton Ultra-Shift. Not a bad combination. Thought I'd never say that, but it sure is nice. Cruising down the road. Very quiet truck. Laguna blue and white. A little tough to see. I wanted you to see the lights more than the paint today. White with the red Peterbilt logo. Did the small button LEDs. Three lights are up. Just polished tanks. And they did a nice job of cleaning it up. Tool access, 280 wheelbase. Back of sleeper antennas. That extra toolbox is just because we got an APU on the other side, so they wanted the toolbox. Bridgestone tires, 11R22.5s. There is no window even available on the back of the 78-inch stand-up sleeper. It did a carrier APU. Most APUs we put on are about 12.5. Some a little bit less, but most of them run around the 12,500 mark. Here's your jump posts, bunk heater, Peterbilt quarter fenders. Don't believe we did lockers on this one. I don't believe we did do disc brakes. So we have disc brakes all the way around. We do not have the lockers. This one has the fairings. They wanted the fairings. They pull a lot of reefers and boxes, so they make sense for them. Got a 150 over here. Polished after treatment cover. Those little button LEDs are really bright. Arrow mirrors. We did the tip outs on the exhaust on these. Did a little bit shorter. They're a 52-inch exhaust. One thing I do want to show you is how much room you have under the hood if you do an MX engine. Got a ton of room back here, so accessibility is very good with this. I mean, you can come clear around to the back of the engine. This one's just got a spring ride steer axle, and you can see the wrap down here on the exhaust going over to the after treatment to keep the heat in. These things love heat, and the hotter you can keep that after treatment, the better. And this is 510 horsepower, 1850 torque. For most guys, that's plenty. It wasn't all that long ago that we weren't anywhere near that, and we were pulling heavy loads. They wanted the air horns on the hood, so it doesn't leave room to put on the extra lights. So that's why we don't have 7 lights across the top. Doesn't look bad. I'm not an air horn guy. I'd prefer not to have them. But they wanted them, so they got them. Platinum interior. I know. Air horns. So I got the digital dash. Get some light in here. Steering wheel. This one also has navigation. They wanted that. Interaxle diff lock right here. Air suspension dump. So switches are a little bit different now. Auxiliary lights for your chicken lights. A factory CB. You have the premium sound system. CB speakers up in the corner up here. Bluetooth. Got the fold-away armrest there, so that you got plenty of room in there. Cup holder, all carpet, closet, business center on this side for more storage and file storage. Got some cubbies, place for a TV, fridge behind the driver. Here's your carrier control panel. Right above it is your S-bar heater. Controls for when the truck is running. Alarm clock. And you have storage underneath. There's the extra panels there for putting on the LED panels. So you get plenty of storage underneath. There's your 110 outlet for your with your APU. So very, very nice truck, very comfortable. We got the cabinets up top and even more storage above them. So beautiful truck, really good looking truck. It's got all the new modern stuff in it. I just thought I'd share this one with you as well. Again, it is sold, but just another example of what we can get and what we can do. So it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center, 970-691-3877 or couchk@rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching.